Hi there, fellow sunseekers. Ready to embark on a hilarious summer adventure filled with the quirkiest gadgets? Well, buckle up your flip-flops and hold on tight because we're about to ride the wave of the top 12 must-have summer gadgets on Amazon in 2023. Let's make some splashes and dive right in. Introducing the waterproof camera, which captures your underwater adventures with stunning clarity. With max 2.7K video and 48 megapixel image resolution, every moment is preserved in exquisite detail. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for beach trips and water parks. The camera is submersible up to 10 feet without a case, ensuring amazing shots in water. The dual screens, self-timer, and continuous shooting feature make it easy to capture group photos and never miss a moment. With support for up to a 128 gigabytes micro SD card, this camera is ready for all your adventures. Summer coolness. Experience the iconic performance of Vornado's Vortex air circulation, effortlessly spreading refreshing air throughout your space. Embrace the timeless design, blending robust metal construction with the authentic VFAN style for a touch of summer nostalgia. This mini fan can be controlled with its simple 2-speed manual settings, allowing you to customize your comfort with ease. Need a breeze? No problem. The adjustable tilt head lets you direct the airflow precisely where you desire. Feel the vortex action as it efficiently circulates all the air around you, creating a cool oasis. With its sleek, modern design, this compact gadget is perfect for any summer spot, desktop, nightstand, kitchen counter, and beyond. Our selection continues with this Reusable Air Purifier. Now you can enjoy fresh, clean air all summer. This purifier is perfect for large rooms up to 1558 square feet. It utilizes a high-efficiency filtration system, including an H13 True HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of particles and an activated carbon filter to reduce unpleasant odors. The built-in air quality indicator keeps you informed about the cleanliness of your indoor environment. With ultra-quiet operation and energy efficiency, this purifier offers 5 fan speed settings and 3 different modes for customized air circulation. The long-lasting filter saves you money and time, and the sleek design blends seamlessly with any decor. So breathe in the freshness of summer, as this will be your ultimate weapon against indoor pollutants and unpleasant odors. Here is how you can stay refreshed in the summer sun. Say goodbye to worries about bacteria and odors with the innovative Lark self-cleaning water bottle. Designed for those bright days when hydration is a must, this cutting-edge health gadget ensures you meet your water intake goals without compromising on cleanliness. Harnessing the power of non-toxic UVC LED light technology, this bottle eliminates virus-causing bacteria and unwanted odors. With a quick clean button and a self-cleaning setting activated every 2 hours, your water remains fresh all day long. So now you can quench your thirst with confidence. The Go bottle features an intelligent self-cleaning function, UVC purification system, safety lock expert construction using food-grade stainless steel, and 2 sterilizing modes. Enjoy pure, safe hydration wherever you go this summer. Now you can upgrade your shower with the Moxie Showerhead. This single-function showerhead provides full coverage for everyday use. It also features a waterproof Bluetooth speaker by Harman Kardon for best-in-class audio. Connect your device wirelessly and enjoy music podcasts or audiobooks in the shower or on the go. The portable design includes a removable magnetic speaker for easy charging and portability. With a quick charging battery and up to 9 hours of playtime, you'll never be without music. It's a fantastic gift for both him and her, perfect for Christmas, birthdays, and anniversaries. Capture unforgettable moments with the Insta360X3. This advanced camera offers 5.7K 360 active HDR video, ensuring you never miss any action. You can reframe your footage easily with AI-powered tools in the Insta360 app. With dual 48 megapixel sensors, the X3 delivers exceptional clarity and detail, even in low-light conditions. So be ready to take stunning 72-megapixel photos and 8K time-lapses. You can also switch to 4K single-lens mode for wide-angle shots or use 2.7K max view for an ultra-wide 170-degree field of view. With flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock, you will get smooth videos. So say goodbye to selfie sticks with the invisible selfie stick for incredible third-person perspectives. The package includes the Insta360X3 invisible selfie stick, 64 gigabytes micro SD card, and lens cap. So if you want to capture your precious memories, you might consider this. These mini car vacuum cleaners are perfect for keeping your car's interior spotless. With their compact and lightweight design, weighing just 2.4 pounds, these practical gadgets are ideal for summer car trips. Say goodbye to dust, ash, and food spills with the powerful 106-watt motor and HEPA filter. The car cleaning kit includes 3 detailing attachments: a carry bag, a filter brush, and spare HEPA filter, ensuring thorough cleaning. Powered through the 12-volt aux outlet with a 16-foot cord, you can effortlessly reach every corner of your vehicle. Whether you have a car, truck, or boat with a 12-volt cigarette lighter port, these mini car vacuum cleaners are the perfect solution. How do you perfectly turn frozen fruits into delightful desserts with ease? Simply insert the fruits, push down with the plunger, and enjoy a smooth ice cream or sorbet treat without added fats, sugars, or preservatives. What's even better is that you can experiment with the 36 included recipes or create your own healthy, vegan, keto, and dairy-free desserts like pies and sorbets. The parts can go in the dishwasher, and the base is easy to clean. Whether it's a single serving or a family treat, this dessert maker delivers. So if you are the person who like to make own dessert, then this might be perfect for you. Looking to stay cool and stylish this summer? Look no further than a handheld misting fan, the ultimate companion for refreshing relief. With its 5-speed operation and natural wind simulation, it's designed to provide you with a delightful breeze that will keep you cool and comfortable no matter where you are. But that's not all. This fan also allows you to enhance your relaxation by adding your favorite essential oils for a spa-like experience. With its sleek design and discreet operation, it fits perfectly in upscale settings, making it both powerful and stylish. Plus, it's eco-friendly with a brushless DC motor and high-capacity battery, ensuring efficient and sustainable cooling. Next up is an exciting gadget for unlimited water fun, the SoppySid reusable water balloons. Made with innovative magnetic technology and tear-resistant silicone, these eco-friendly balloons can be used over 1,000 times. Fill them up 10 times faster for endless outdoor adventures at the beach, pool parties, and more. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional balloons with no tying or waste. This non-toxic, latex-free silicone material ensures safety for kids and adults, while the included mesh bag allows for easy storage and transport. It's the perfect gift for summer fun, creating unforgettable memories with family and friends. Next, we have an interesting solution for staying cool and active: the Mission Hoodie Cooling Towel. Crafted from soft, lightweight knit fabric, this imported towel comes with a convenient snap closure for effortless use. When wet, the Mission Performance fabric works its magic, instantly cooling the towel up to 30 degrees below the average body temperature in less than a minute. Enjoy the refreshing coolness for up to 2 hours, and easily reactivate the cooling effect by simply re-wetting and snapping the towel. Designed for hot weather, this cooling towel provides both comfort and advanced cooling technology to keep you refreshed during your activities. It's machine washable and made of 100% polyester, ensuring convenience and durability. This Lesotc dog water bottle is perfect for keeping your furry friend hydrated. This patented design combines a water bottle and bowl into one with a press. Water flows into the fold cap, eliminating the need for an external bowl. The 400 milliliter capacity is perfect for small dogs during travel and outdoor activities. The upgraded switch prevents water leakage, while the silicone gasket ensures cleanliness. Made of safe, lightweight materials, it's easy to clean and weighs only 0.33 pounds. So if you want to keep your pet hydrated, then this might be the perfect solution for you. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos of various tech and gadget reviews. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.